And really, all of this traffic is, they say volume, but it's not just volume. It's volume plus stupid, right? Because, of course, the guys on the right lane here would normally be packed up like the guys on my left, right in the middle lane or even in the left lane. They want to fill in every inch of space, and then the people trying to come in, you see there's an entry coming up ahead of us, right? You see those cars coming in? They have to battle to get in, and then that battle results in a backup on the right side here, when there's no need for it. If everyone would give this the amount of space I'm giving here, those things will be resolved. The afternoon rush is even worse. I mean, this is ridiculous. There don't need to be an accident or anything like that. All there has to be is a bunch of idiots filling up the entry lane, the right lane, and then no one can. Look at this guy. Watch what he does. He was behind me. Look what he does. See that? See that? So it was important for him to get ahead of me. One car. Oh, let's all applause. Oh, you get ahead. Oh my. He's really getting there, isn't he? Oh, that's a wonderful thing, It's retarded. You guys are retarded on the road. There's just too much. It's just so funny. Okay, so that's basically, that repeats itself over and over again. I got this open hole here. Nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. Right? They want to go in and squeeze in. Squeeze in as much as possible. Look at it. They're not coming in when they could. Right? They want to stay on. They want to get. Now he had to come in. I mean, where else are you going to come in? You think you can come in with an opening? There's an opening there. You still have one guy holding out on the right side without going in, because he wants to be over or ahead of there. So he figures he'll get there sooner if he's up 2 or 3 cars than I'm going to get there. It's just, again, it's just dumb thinking. But this is the way people. They behave this way. They think that they're getting ahead, and it's just really doesn't make any difference if you're 2 or 3 or even 20 cars. There's about, there's at least 20 cars here in my immediate surrounding. Are they going to get anywhere quicker than I am? Not really. So with this traffic, you're not going to get anywhere quicker. So that's about it. It's bottom line. Take it easy. Let people in. If you're on the right lane, let people in or get off the right lane. Simple. This'll make things work better. Traffic will flow. Look at this. Where's the traffic jam? What's the issue with the traffic? What was the cause? Nothing. There's no accident here. We just passed some police and some workmen that was off the side of the road, but there's nothing to see. No accident. No reason for a traffic tie-up except for dumb. That's it. Simple as that. They should just go by, not pay any mind to what's going on, like you're going to do something about it. Just keep moving. Keep traffic moving. That's all. This is really all there is, folks. There's no reason for this highway to be tied up. It's just that there's a lot of people who don't think driving. They don't think in their lives. They make a mess in their lives, and then they get on the road. That's the only problem here.